Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today we're going to be doing one of my favorite projects. We will give a new life to these flower beds flanking the walkway to the house. Here at my client's front entrance, the two narrow beds have had the same hostas for years. They've definitely outgrown the space. These are the same simple green leaf hostas, great plants, but here they are not bringing much decorative interest, and they're crowding the walkway. So today we are going to completely refresh these beds and create something that feels welcoming, colorful, and beautiful throughout the whole season. Let's see how we'll bring these tired beds back to life. We'll start by clearing out the overgrown hostas. Then we'll widen the beds. Add a mix of perennials with one small anchor, pinnacle hydrangea on each side. And finish by planting spring bulbs for early color. It's fall. The hostas are getting ready for dormancy. And first we'll clean up the spent foliage. With the leaves cleared, we can lift the old hostas. They've grown large and are crowding the walkway. Removing them opens up the area and lets us start fresh with a new design. All hostas have been dug out. Whew, it wasn't that easy. Now on the curbside for grabs. We'll rehome these. They're great plants, just not the right fit for this spot. Next, we'll expand and reshape the beds to add more room for planting and make the walkway feel more welcoming and proportional. We'll remove the sod and define a clean, natural edge along the beds, giving the new plants more room to grow and helping the whole space feel more balanced. Now the beds are prepped and ready for planting. We selected plants that will keep the beds lively from spring through fall. A mix of reliable bloomers, airy textures, rich foliage colors, and soft movements from grasses. Here's a lineup you'll see in the design. Sedum Dark Magic, green leaf sedum for contrast, Salvia Rose Marvel, Anise Hyssop Little Adder, Penstemon Husker Red, Gora Whirling Butterflies, Yarrow Mealy Rock Red, Nepeta Kitten Around, Carex Prairie Fire, Pinicitum Little Bunny. And as the anchor in each bed, we are planting Hydrangea paniculata Early Evolution, one of the earliest blooming pinnacle hydrangeas, offering nearly 5 months of blooms with a gentle color shift as the season progresses. The perennials and ornamental grasses are now planted and ready for next season. To bring early color and life to the walkway, we are adding spring bulbs like daffodils and alliums, giving the beds a beautiful start to spring. Here is the refreshed walkway. Even though it's late fall and most plants are going dormant, reshaping the beds and planting for structure sets everything up to look beautiful next spring and throughout the growing season. Small changes like this make the entrance feel cleaner and more welcoming, and they will really shine once the plants start growing again, Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next garden project. Happy gardening!